So now we have the crank position sensor. I believe that is a Hall effect type sensor. So essentially, every tooth, it actually interrupts the signal and tells the position of the crankshaft based on that interruption of the signal. So this simply just slips right in there. A little bit of oil around the O-ring helps, because that will slip right in there. I like to use a little bit of Permatex. I like this new sort of stick Loctite. Works pretty well. All you need is just a dab, and thread that in there and torque down to the appropriate foot-pounds. So pretty simple, and that would be a knock sensor right there. I believe on the LT4 there are 2 knock sensors, one on each side of the motor. So that is all for this series.